Every lipstick begins with raw materials arriving at our pharmaceutical-grade facility, where beeswax pellets are inspected and logged for purity and batch traceability.
Each ingredient is weighed to the exact gram because the perfect lipstick require a precise balance of waxes, oils, and butters for structure and glide.
Carnauba wax from Brazilian palm leaves gives hardness, while shea butter from African shea trees adds moisturizing properties, and jojoba oil mimics the skin's natural sebum. The waxes and butters are melted together at exactly 85 degrees Celsius, creating a clear golden liquid base that will become the lipstick structure.
The natural carmine pigment derived from cochineal insects is micronized in a jet mill to achieve an ultra-fine powder with...
Inside the jet mill, particles collide at supersonic speed, reducing their size until the analyzer confirms a D50 of 8 microns, which guarantees a velvety smooth lipstick that never feels gritty. The micronized pigment is mixed with jojoba oil in a high-shear mixer to create a color concentrate, where every pigment particle...
The clear wax base and the red color concentrate are brought together in the main mixing vat, where the pigment will disperse throughout every drop of the molten lipstick formula. The mixture is heated and agitated continuously. Then a signature fragrance blend is injected for a delicate vanilla rose scent.
Every batch passes through quality control, where a microscope checks pigment dispersion and a melt test confirms perfect solidity.
Check this. After quality approval, the molten lipstick mass is transferred through heated pipes to the mixing area, where a vacuum chamber will remove.
The de-aerated lipstick mass is injected into precision aluminum molds from the bottom upward, which eliminates air pockets and ensures every bullet has the exact tiers.
The filled molds pass through a cooling tunnel, where high-velocity air drops the temperature from 75 degrees to 20 degrees.
An automated blade skims across the top of each mold tray, removing the thin layer of excess wax that forms during cooling.
Soft silicone ejector pins push each lipstick bullet out of their aluminum cavity, while vacuum grippers hold them securely in the air, ready for transfer to the lipstick tubes. A high-precision 6-axis robot with 20 vacuum grippers transfers the entire batch of bullets from the ejection station to the lipstick tube loading line in one smooth motion. The robot aligns each bullet perfectly above its tube, and a pneumatic pusher seats the bullet onto the internal twisting mechanism.
Every assembled lipstick undergoes a retraction test, where a mechanical arm twists the base to lower the bullet, ensuring smooth...
Automated vision inspection and laser alignment sensors detect any defective lipstick, and compressed air ejects them into a rejection bin, ensuring only perfect products continue.
Soft microfiber rollers spin at high speed to gently wipe every surface of the lipstick tube, removing dust, fingerprints, and any residue from manufacturing.
A laser printer transfers permanent text, including the shade code and natural carmine label, onto the bottom of every tube. A high-speed pick-and-place machine with 12 suction grippers simultaneously snaps glossy black caps onto every lipstick tube. Each lipstick tube passes through a heat tunnel where clear polyolefin film shrinks to form a tight tamper-evident seal that guarantees product integrity until the customer opens it.
The cartoning machine folds flat cardboard boxes into shape, inserts the wrapped lipstick along with preparations. A robotic arm packs 12 individually boxed lipsticks into a master carton with dividers, and then the carton is taped, sealed, and
constraints. In the clean warehouse, each master carton is scanned and placed onto pallets, then stretch wrapped for stability, before loading into temperature-controlled
bins. After traveling through the factory, from cactus farm to finished product, the lipstick emerges in its final form, a luxurious natural. When applied, the natural carmine lipstick glides on in a single stroke, delivering rich, even color with a satin finish that feels comfortable on the lips. Perfect.
From the cactus farm where cochineal insects thrive to the high-tech factory where science transforms nature into beauty. Automated dispensing pumps measure precise quantities of clear plant oils and emollients, including jojoba oil, fractionated incense. Solid cosmetic-grade waxes including beeswax, carnauba wax, candelilla wax, shea butter, and vitamin E. Inside the heated mixing vat, solid wax blocks and shea butter gradually melt into a transparent golden liquid at T-plants. A separate side mixer combines the liquid oils with dry carmine pigment, using high shear blending to create a smooth tint. The high shear mixer breaks down any remaining pigment clumps until the oil slurry becomes a satin-smooth concentrate with no grittions.
The red color concentrate slurry is slowly poured into the clear melted wax base, where it spreads like crimson smoke through the golden levels.
As the agitator blades rotate, the red pigment fully disperses throughout the clear wax base, transforming the entire vat into a rich...
The main vat maintains a constant temperature of 80 degrees Celsius, while the propeller blades run at 120 RPM.
Intric vat. An automated dropper system injects precise amounts of vanilla, rose fragrance, jasmine fragrance, and vitamin E.
Digital sensors continuously monitor heat mapping across the vat, showing a consistent temperature gradient, and viscosity readings confirm the lipstick mass has reached the perfect fluidity for molding.
An operator uses a long-handled stainless steel ladle to extract a sample of the hot red lipstick mass from the main vat, which is
In the quality control lab, a technician performs a smear test by spreading a drop of the liquid lipstick on a glass lens. A sample of the lipstick mass is poured into a mold and placed in a 55 degrees Celsius oven for 1 hour. A texture analyzer performs a penetration and adhesion test on a solidified lipstick sample, measuring hardness and tack, while the smooth
Seedins. The lab supervisor reviews all quality control data on a digital terminal, and upon confirming every test passes, the main vat valve opens, releasing the approved lipstick mass through insulated pipes down to the molding floor, where the liquid is distributed to multiple molding machines for bullet formation. The liquid lipstick mass passes through a vacuum chamber, where reduced pressure causes any microscopic air bubbles to expand and burst. Polished aluminum mold trays with 20 mirror-finished cavities each are indexed precisely along the molding line, while a vision system ensures perfect alignment under the injection nozzles. Heated injection nozzles descend and fill each mold cavity from the bottom up with exactly 20 milliliters of liquid lipstick mass in just 1.5 seconds, preventing air entrapment. Immediately after filling the mold trays, enter the chilling zone of the cooling tunnel, where the temperature drops rapidly, causing the liquid lipstick to begin solidifying from the outside inward, starting with a thin skin on surfaces. In the -20 degrees Celsius flash section of the cooling tunnel, high-velocity air jets rapidly solidify precipitation. Emerging from the cooling tunnel, the fully solidified lipstick bullets have a perfectly smooth, glossy surface, and a hardness test confirms they have reached fleece. An automated stainless steel blade scrapes across the top of the mold tray, removing the thin layer of excess wax that formed above each cavity. Pneumatic pins push each solidified lipstick bullet upward out of its aluminum cavity, while soft silicone grippers capture them from above, preventing any damage to the delicate surface. A vision inspection system with red laser illumination scans every lipstick bullet, measuring shape, tip geometry, and surface integrity. Empty lipstick tubes with their internal twisting mechanisms are oriented and arranged in a grid pattern matching the spacing of the suspended bullets, ready for the robotic assembly process. A multi-gripper robotic arm with 20 soft silicone suction cups picks up all the inspected bullets simultaneously from the ejection station and carries them toward the waiting lipstick tubes. The robotic arm lowers the bullets into the tubes, and a pneumatic pusher seats each bullet onto the internal lifter cup with agents. A retraction test on every assembled lipstick verifies that the bullet raises and lowers smoothly with consistent torque. Stringence. Automated vision inspection and laser sensors detect any tube that fails the retraction test, and compressed air ejects them into a rejection bin. High-speed soft microfiber rollers spin in opposite directions to gently wipe every surface of the lipstick tube, removing dust, fingerprints, and any manufacturing.
A laser printer transfers permanent text, including the shade code and natural carmine label, onto the bottom of every tube.
A high-speed pick-and-place machine with 12 suction grippers simultaneously snaps glossy black caps onto every lipstick tube. Each lipstick tube passes through a heat tunnel where clear polyolefin film shrinks to form a tight tamper-evident seal that guarantees product integrity until the customer opens it. The cartoning machine folds flat cardboard boxes into shape, inserts the wrapped lipstick along with a product leaflet. A robotic arm with a vacuum grid packs 12 individually boxed lipsticks into a master carton with dividers, and then the carton is taped, sealed, weighed, and labeled for shipping. A robotic palletizer stacks sealed master cartons onto wooden pallets in precise layers, and then a stretch wrapping machine.
In the clean warehouse, each pallet is scanned and loaded into temperature-controlled trucks for delivery to distribution centers and retailers around the world.
After traveling through the factory, from Cactus farm to finished product, and the lipstick emerges in its final form, a luxurious. When applied, the natural carmine lipstick glides on in a single stroke, delivering rich, even color with a satin finish that feels comfortable on the lips. Perfect.
From the Cactus farm, where cochineal insects thrive, to the high-tech factory, where science transforms nature into.
The finished natural carmine lipstick is presented in elegant packaging, ready to bring luxury and ethical beauty to customers. The natural carmine lipstick delivers long-wearing color with a comfortable satin finish that does not dry the lips or bleed into fine lines even after hours of wear and eating or drinking.
Natural carmine lipstick shows superior luminosity, depth, and dimensional color. This one looks more alive and expensive. 94% of consumers preferred the natural pigment in blind tests.
Every natural carmine lipstick tells a story of sustainable beauty, from the cactus farm to your lips.
This video is created for educational and informational purpose using advanced AI tools and human creativity. All concepts, scripting, and storytelling are independently developed to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are generated or enhanced using AI technologies such as Geo, Canva, and Group AI, while final editing and post-production are completed using CapCut and other professional editing tools. No external creator content has been copied or reused. Any resemblance to real-world environment, factories, or processes is purely coincidental. All scenes shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and follows YouTube monetization guidelines.